Hi, this is Noah from Health and Balance, and today I'm going to show you how to test for weak glutes. Now, weak glutes are the source of a lot of problems. If you have weak glutes, you're going to have poor posture. You're not going to be here where your glutes are tightened up, nice and flat. You're going to have an unstable base, weak or tight hips. So I'm going to show you how to test for a weak glute. I want you to get on the ground. In the prone position, you're going to lift one leg up to 90 degrees. What you're going to try to do, Mo, can you come down here? See this right here? What you're going to try to do is lift this leg off the ground like this. Now that's external rotation. If you just lift the knee with the foot on the ground, that's external rotation. If you can do that and hold that for 10 seconds, you're fine. Now if you go the other way, internal rotation. Most people are really rock solid with this. There's no issue here. Most of the issue is with the external rotation of the hip. If you can lift the whole leg off the ground for about 10 seconds, you're doing great. Now, if you notice you can't lift that knee off, no matter how hard you try this as a strength building exercise. Another strength building exercise for that glute med is the culprit. What you will do is stand on one foot and you're going to push your hip towards this wall. You should feel it tighten up here. Good, you'll come back, let it relax, and push it back in again. And you'll feel this glute tighten up. That's the one you want to strengthen. Awesome. All right.